Right, to start the car, I don't know if you've got the system already, foot on the brake, the green light will come on as long as the key's in the car. You just push the button and that's it, the car's started up. So, I'll just turn the stereo down a little bit. So, on the right hand side of your steering wheel, be the same as you've got at the moment, is your windscreen wipers. So, down one for intermittent, which would bring this roll here into play, and if you line it up with auto, it'll be auto wipers. Down again for normal speed, down again for double speed, and your rear wiper is on the outside there. On the other side to that are your lights. So you've got auto lights, side lights, dip beam lights, full beam away from you, flash towards you, and then your fog lights on the inside, and obviously your indicators on there. You've got a trip reset button in behind there, obviously to 0 if you're wanting to keep an eye on what you're doing. So the Lineartronic gearbox, you've got a drive mode which says D in the middle there. If you pop it across to M, it will now say 1 on it. Now you can change gear manually by using the paddles here. So plus on there, you pull that one towards you, that's now gone to number 2. It won't go any further, and if I press this on this side, it'll go to number 1. So that's what those are for. And now here we've got our cruise control. Now it's adaptive cruise control using the eyesight system again. So we press our button here, which is the cruise control on button, and you'll see we've got a different screen. I'm just going to try and alter the camera slightly. So you've got a little screen in there with your car and some lines in front of it. Now by moving that button with the lines on, you see that there's more lines or less lines, and that's basically giving you the distance from the car in front. So not only are you setting the speed, you're actually setting the distance from the car in front, and the eyesight system will not let you catch any closer to the speed that you've set. So if you've set a distance of 50 meters, it will keep you at 50 meters. So you'd put your cruise control button on, and then you've got res and set on there. So to set it, you would literally put that one down to set. You're now in cruise control, and you can accelerate by nudging that one up or decelerate by pulling that one down. The buttons below that, your S and your I, that basically is how the car will pull away from a junction. So I is your standard mode. If I press S, you'll see that there's quite a sharp yellow line. That will give you more acceleration off the stop start, and then your S drive is a slightly more easier economic way to pull away.